Hi guys, and welcome to the course. I'd like to thank you for subscribing and picking up your copy of the Affiliate Marketing Business Blueprint. That being said, my name is Tudor Jones and I've been working as an affiliate marketer for 3 years. If you'd like to learn more about me, you can head over to my blog, which is tudorjonesblog.com, where you can check out the About Me section, where I discuss my journey over the last few years. If you'd like to speak to me personally, you can add me on Facebook, or you can use the contact us section on my blog. Alternatively, you can email me at tudorjonesblog@gmail.com and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, my goal and vision is to help as many people as possible to gain financial freedom. I believe in setting goals, I believe in determination, and I believe in working hard. This course involves a business model that requires these principles to succeed. What I'm going to be teaching you is how you can go about building your own sales machine. And this business model has the potential to make you as much money as you want, and you can use it in any niche. The system that you're going to learn in this course has been around for a while, and it will be around for years to come. What I'm getting at is, if you can take action and apply what I'm teaching you, then you will make money, and you can scale this business to a level where you can be making thousands every month. I do need to say though that you will need to put the work in to make this business model work for you, but I can promise you that you will not regret the work that you will have done when you see the results that you will get. Now, as we go through the training, I will be mentioning certain softwares that you can use to make this business model work as efficiently as possible. These softwares are mainly free softwares, and you can find them in the resources section at the top of the page. Okay guys, the first video is video number 1, where I'll get down to the nitty gritty of the business model that I use to run my business. So I'll see you there.